Hi everyone, welcome to Big Fan Secret Kitchen. Today we're gonna make traditional Chinese food with most common grocery ingredients. This dish name is garlic lettuce. Let's see what we need. We're gonna use 2 romaine lettuce, garlic salt as usual, soy sauce, the soul of Chinese food, minced garlic, and cornstarch. Let's get started. First, let's boil some water for the lettuce. While the water is boiling, let's cut the lettuce. Let's cut it into finger length. Now let's go ahead and make the sauce. First, we need soy sauce. We need 3 tablespoons of the soy sauce here. And some garlic salt. Half teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Cornstarch here will make the sauce thick, so it will taste better in this dish. And last but not least, we're gonna add a little bit water to it. And let's mix it. Now that the water is boiling, let's put the lettuce in it. The lettuce doesn't have to be well cooked, because it's really easy to be done. So we just make it soft and we can take it out. Now let's take those lettuce out. And remember to drain the water and put it in the plate. Let's put this aside and let's make the sauce. Turn the fire to high. Let's heat up the pan first. We need to add a little bit oil to it. Just a little bit is enough. After the oil is heated, let's put some minced garlic in it. Let it cook until you can smell the garlic. Let's put the sauce in it. Stir it before you put it in it because some of the cornstarch will be at the bottom. Let's turn the fire to small. Let's stir it a little bit until the sauce is clear. You can see there are those big bubbles. That's because of the cornstarch. If you don't put it in it, it will just be like watery and soupy. It's not going to be like this thick. Now we can have a taste. Be careful. If you don't think it's salty enough, you can add some salt at this moment. Right now, this tastes good for me. I'm just gonna use this. It's done. Now let's pour the sauce over the vegetables. Since this garlic lettuce is all vegetables, so I like to eat it with meat. Eating it along with rice will be a good match too. So let's ask Brian to have a try. It's hot.
Tongue.
Tongue. How is it?
If you're a garlic lover, you're really gonna love this dish. Oh, so flavorful. Very good. You've done it again.
Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for cooking with us. I hope you like this garlic lettuce. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button at the bottom. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.